We all have tasks that we need to keep track on, whether or not they'll be university assignments, household chores, or our content creation projects. By staying on track, we keep consistent and get more done in a day. But we need to see the information clearly, and if you're like me, with lots of colours, because I find that a lot easier to recognise and know what I'm doing. Well, I'm pleased to say that ClickUp has the answer. I know we're not meant to do any introductions anymore on YouTube, but just quickly, you can think of me as your ClickUp bestie. I'm here to produce content on using ClickUp so you can reach your goals, stay consistent, and, well, just be awesome. I actually use ClickUp all the time, and it's allowed me to smash my goals, be more productive, and get more done in a day. And it's really removed all that stress and worries about completing projects. So let me help you by telling you what statuses are in ClickUp and how you can set them up really easily. So statuses allow you to see what stage your project is at. So think of them as columns, and each column is a status. So it might start off by a column that is headed to do, then the next column is called in progress, and the final column is called completed. So the to do, in progress, and completed, those would be your statuses. Now, ClickUp provides some for you ready-made to use, but you can also create your own. You can change their names, and most importantly, you can change their color as well. You can create or change statuses at the space level, folder level, or list level. And if you want some information about ClickUp's hierarchy, then I'll put a link in the description for you. So it's important to know that ClickUp needs to have 3 default statuses. Now you can actually rename these if you wish, but you must always have them. These are active, done, and completed. So I changed that active status to be named something else. For example, in my simple list, it's just things to do, and that is the name of the status. Well, in my content creation work, I've changed it to ideas. So you can rename or hide or show these default statuses. But more importantly, you can create your own. And you can do this at either the space, folder, or list level. So to change statuses from a list, go to the 3 dots and then go to list settings and then list statuses. On this screen, you can see that you can either inherit it from the folder, use custom statuses, or use the templates that are provided. If you'd like to change them from the folder level, then 3 little dots, folder setting, and down to task statuses. And then you can alter them as usual. Also remember that you can set up statuses when you add new lists or folder. You click the folder button, go to lists, name your list. Here I've just said new list. And then when you create it, you have the option where to inherit your statuses from. So you can either start from scratch or inherit them from a different folder or list. If you would like to create your own statuses in a list, then go to list settings and to list settings again and to list statuses. And you can then use custom setting statuses. Here you can use the 3 dots to rename or change the color of your status, or you can use the plus key to add a new status. This will allow you to change the color to any of the pre-existing ones, or you can create a completely new color. And you can also type in here what you would like to call it. Notice this is always in capital letters. You can then save it and your new status will appear. You can then use the little handles to drag these round to have a new order. Of course, you can always go down and save your template for use in other lists or folders. And if you would like to see how subtasks can help you in ClickUp, then watch this video next.